Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified about all my latest videos. Today, we are diving into a delicious and nutritious treat, TRIPACT Protein Powder in the creamy chocolate flavor. Let's get started first. Let's take a look at the packaging. TRIPACT Protein Powder comes in this sleek, eye-catching container. The creamy chocolate flavor is prominently displayed, and the packaging promises a rich and indulgent taste. But it's not just about taste. This protein powder is packed with benefits. TRIPACT Protein Powder isn't just delicious, it's also loaded with nutritional benefits. High quality protein with a protein per serving, it's perfect for muscle recovery and growth. Low sugar, only of sugar, making it a guilt-free treat. Essential amino acids, packed with essential amino acids that support muscle repair and overall health. Vitamins and minerals, includes a blend of vitamins and minerals to support your daily nutritional needs. Gluten-free and non-GMO, suitable for those with dietary restrictions or preferences. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the taste test. I'll be mixing 1 scoop of TRIPACT Protein Powder with, insert liquid of choice, for example, almond milk, water. Let's shake it up. Wow, it mixes so smoothly. Let's give it a try. This is so creamy and chocolatey. It really tastes like a decadent chocolate milkshake, but without all the extra calories and sugar. Perfect for a post-workout treat or even a quick snack. TRIPACT Protein Powder is incredibly versatile. Here are a few ways you can incorporate it into your diet. Protein shakes: mix with your favorite milk or water for a quick protein boost. Smoothies: blend with fruits, veggies, and nut butter for a nutrient-packed smoothie. Baking: add to your baking recipes for a protein-infused treat like pancakes, muffins, or brownies. Yogurt: stir into your yogurt for a creamy, protein-rich snack. Overall, TRIPACT Protein Powder in creamy chocolate is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to boost their protein intake with a delicious and versatile product. If you want to try it out, I've got a click link. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and health tips. See you next time.